All right, congratulations for making it up to this place. So I want you to listen attentively for all I'm going to be explaining in this video. So what we want is a logo that is going to stand out. Please listen to, or I'm going to be saying some things that will be asking you when you come back to message us. So that is why you have to listen to every point of this video. Now, when we were talking about logo, there are different style of logo. Let me come to this place. Now you could see this Pepsi logo, Nike. All this logo, they stand out from other logo. Whereas there's no way you are going to see this kind of logo. Even this Apple, there's no way you are going to see all this logo that you are not going to identify it. Do you understand that? So all this logo stands for representation of the company. Just like this now, you can all tell me the owners of this logo. Why? Because they represent those complaints. So that is what we're also looking for here in our complaint. So we want something that is going to stand out, that can identify us. Let me use that word, identify. Yes. So please, as I've said, take note of the point I am giving, because you'll be asked these questions, because we won't want the situation whereby you didn't even watch the video and you just come back and start messaging when you don't know what we need. You understand that? So once you are able to get us a unique logo, and another thing is, it's not just logo we want someone who will be helping us on our YouTube channel, for the YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, YouTube thumbnail for videos. So that's one of our priority, because we're starting our YouTube channel, whereas we'll be creating content from different stuffs. So all you just do is, if you know you are capable of doing this thing for us, so we want something cool. But as I've said, it's going to be, this is just from a Google search, but we love something like this. But as I've said, it's Google search, so we don't want something that is going to be like copyright or something. So we want something unique, something different from other things people have online there. You understand? So we're just giving you an idea of what we want. You can see a star. Yeah, a star. Then create a design with the star, trying to figure out a unique logo for our company. So it's going to be, we'll be working with a star. You understand? Star, like a star, like when someone is a star, when someone is popular, so they stand as a star when the star shines. So that is what we want to use, and that is why we're trying to use logo of a star. Don't forget what I said, because the star stands as someone shining, his glory shining. So that's what we want to use, but this is not the design we want. We are just giving you an example of what we would like to use. So you're going to be working something like this out in your own discretion. And as I've said, it has to be different from all what we have online, because if we want something online, it's something we can move online here and just check for what we want and download. So we don't want something like that. So we want you to give us something unique. We want you to give us something different. So try and work up your hacks, give us something unique. And for those who be qualifying from this aspect, it's possible for us to give you a chance of working with us in our thumbnail YouTube channel. Whereas once we create a video, you'll be helping us with the thumbnail. Once we want to advertise on our social medias, you also help us out in it. But as I've said, don't forget, we're working with a star, then it has to be unique. It can't be the same thing as what is online here. So for those who are still watching the video to this moment, because I'm very sure there are some people who won't watch it to this place and they just said they've watched it. So if you are still watching this video to this moment, on the comment section below, just comment whatever you can point out from what I have said in this video. Point them out. Then once you come messaging me, give me your YouTube channel name. So I'm going to use that to check if it was true you watched the video. Do you understand what I said? If you watch it to this part, like you are still listening to what I'm saying to this moment, on the comment section below, tell me what you understood I asked for, what we need, like means talking about star, something like that. So write something about that in the comment section. Then aside that, come to where you got the links to this video. Also give me your YouTube channel name and explain what you understand, and you give me your pricing, and we'll know how we can work together. So till then, I hope seeing you at the top.